the soup is in the teapot.
Yes.
The chicken is ready over there. And you've got another dish over here. This is
You've got an upright lamb.
upright lamb.
It's basically badami lamb. It's
Okay.
lamb is slow cooked for a good 4 to 5 hours.
Okay.
And luckily in India, get very nice baby lamb. And that is infused with an almond puree and almond milk
Lovely.
and also marigold.
Marigold.
You will serve it with a very, very special and a very distinct rice, which is basically a take on a classic peanut rice with tamarind.
But the big secret, the big mystery is what is this in front of me?
This is little tomato pearls
Oh,
or tomato caviar.
they do.
You get the khatas of tomato in there.
It's damn nice. It tastes really nice.
It is pure tomatoes.
So here comes our soup.
There we are, Kunal. That's your dal soup with a hint of saffron and marigold.
You know, the color itself is it's so appealing to the eyes. The bright yellow, the bright green, and the hints of orange here and there, no?
The marigold.
So nice. It's so smooth, it's silky, it's creamy because it's got a little bit of cream in it, isn't it?
Bit of cream,
Yeah.
yes.
And it's delicious. I'm very happy.
Gear up for the next one.
Yeah. So here we have a galavati made out of beetroot.
Kebab and chutney.
Kebab and chutney.
That's what
In
it is.
Simplest form, kebab and chutney.
Simplest form. Aya galoti?
It's a galavati.
It's a galoti.
It's a galavati. I got all the masala of the galavati.
Exactly.
The texture of the galavati. The spice of the galavati also. It's just really nice. Okay, now to try some of this.
Unusual.
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 Different textures. I'm getting the softness of the kebab, the creaminess of the creaminess of the kebab, the softness of the galavati, and the lovely chili, green chili flavor, which is a lovely flavor.
Chutney one.
And little saffron is also coming through, and the marigold. Oh, now थोड़ा mutton बाकी है, मेरे दोस्त.
That's your slow cooked badami lamb.
Okay.
It's got almond puree and it's got milk, almond milk. So you take almonds and you soak them overnight. Then you crush it into a blender, put it into a cloth and you squeeze it out.
Okay.
So you get the extract.
Oh.
That's the almond milk. That goes in last. And the leftover you blitz it into a puree. What you also put in that is a puree of marigold.
I'll tell you my first reaction. Yeah,
Please.
I've not yet got to the mutton, but this rice is a genius.
It's a lovely rice.
It's a lovely rice. This tamarind, slightly sweet, is sourish. Peanuts works wonderfully. It's like a good gosh badami.
Slow cooked. It should just melt off the bone.
What a great meal this is. But we've got dessert coming, no?
You've got a good dessert to come. Something a real, an eye teaser.
It's a surprise. It's a surprise.
Surprise.
We'll wait for it to come and figure out what it is. Now, this is like a typical Vineet Bhatia creation. It all looks very nice, but I'm not sure what it is.
But that is the mystery.
Okay.
It's all marigold. The first one you have is a very classic Shrikhand
Shrikhand, okay.
with charoli seeds,
Okay.
marigold puree,
Okay, so the marigold is adding a little flavor and color to it.
color to it. Now that's what you're going to have. The second one in center is the kulfi. The kulfi made out of rabdi,
Okay.
and in that we also mix Shrikhand.
So there's Rabdi Shrikhand kulfi.
It's a rabdi Shrikhand kulfi with marigold.
Okay.
And the small little worms you see on the side are not
This-
really worms, they're actually spaghetti made out of narangi. And the very end will remind you of a panwala outside. It's basically a pan chutney and a marigold panna cotta.
Huh.
On top of that, there's a hint of lime and a marigold jelly.
here we go. Kulfi.
Marigold and pan chutney.
This is really nice.
It's from a pandal to a plate.
From the pandal straight to the plate. On a good auspicious day like this today. Chef, thank you so much.
Another pleasure to see you again.
God bless you, man.
no, thank you.
From strength to strength.
Thank
Next
you.
time I meet you in another 10 restaurants.
Ah, well, you never know.
Well, that brings us to the end of this episode with Chef Vineet Bhatia. If you want to write to us at weekend@timesnow.tv. Till the next time, from Chef Vineet and me, it's bye.